Good morning Year 3 and 4, it is Monday the 1st of February and this is your arithmetic video. So arithmetic focus this week is multiplication. This will be on the challenge side. So if you're not feeling too confident this week, don't worry, remember we do have two videos. Monday is a teaching one going over the method. Wednesday is a revisit and an answer one. Now if you're feeling not so confident with multiplication, don't worry. What you can do is use Monday to start you off, Wednesday as a recap, and then have a go at the challenge side Thursday or Friday. So here's our work for today. As you can see, the challenge section I have updated. Have a go at this side if you feel confident, but you must try this side at least once a week. So like I've said, you have Monday, today's lesson, to have an introduction to it, and then Wednesday as a recap with answers. So then you could have a go at Thursday or even leave it till Friday. It is your choice, but you must try this side at least once a week. So let's have a look at our short multiplication then. So the bottom number tells us what we are multiplying by. So we are multiplying by 2. So 4 times 2, or 2 lots of 4. So if you know your times tables, then you can work it out quite quickly. 2 times 4 is 8. If not, then you can count in twos on your fingers. 2, 4, 6, 8. So remember, when it comes to short multiplication, we look for the lowest column first. So we do have a ones column, so we started in the ones column. Then we move on to the tens column. So this is going to be 2 times 20. 2 times 20. Now sometimes, to make it simpler for yourself, you can imagine this as 2 times 2. So pause the video now, have a think about what 2 times 2 is. Well done, it is 4. So all we do then is, if you're thinking of the method of 2 times 2, we then multiply our answer that we get by 10, which gives us 40. So I've put it in the tens column. So let's do question 2 together then. If you don't want to hear the answer to this one and you feel like you could have a go at this one, then that's fine. Pause the video now and have a go before I go through it. So again, looking at the bottom number, we have the 3 times table. So 3 lots of 2, or 3 times 2. Or 2 times 3. Remember, it is cumulative, so we can swap it around. 2 times 3. 6. Well done. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Now we move on to the tens column. Again, we can think about this as 1 times 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. If we've got 3 sweets and we only get one lot of them, we're only going to have 3 sweets. And then we multiply it by 10. So that would become 30. There we go. Now 3 times 3. It is in the hundreds column, so I will remember to times it by 100 afterwards. 3 times 3, counting in threes, 3, 6, 9. 9 times 100 gives me 900. There we go. Thank you very much for joining me today on this short multiplication. So remember, just to highlight this for you, we start with the timesing number. We times the ones, then we times the tens. Then when we have a 3-digit number, times the ones first, times the tens, then times the hundreds. Okay. So I know that you can do number 1 and number 2 by yourself. Remember, 10 divided by 2 we can do in the short division method. I know you may know this one, but just to practice last week's skill, we can put the number that we're dividing by on the outside and then 10 in the bus stop. So how many lots of 2 can we get into 1? None. So this 10 is carried on into the ones column. So this number now becomes 10. How many lots of 2 can we get in 10? If you're not sure, count in twos with your fingers hidden to start with and they appear as you count. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many fingers are showing now? How many lots of 2 have you got in there? 5. So this is a really simple division just to help you practice that short division method that we had a go at last week. And then a recap on time. Remember, if it is this side of the clock, then it is past the hour, and if it's the other side of the clock, then it is to the hour. So that might help you today.